last day.
Time.
Yeah, this is our last day here at the Gold Coast. So, it's only 7:10 a.m. Pero 10 a.m. pa talaga yung check-out namin. Pero kasi gusto namin na mag-walking muna, maggala sa Paradise Center dito sa Surfers Paradise bago kami pumunta sa airport. So, nagplan kami na mag-rent a locker na lang malapit sa Sky Point. So, magbe-breakfast buffet nga pala tayo sa Sky Point ngayon.
Dahil birthday ko.
Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Love you.
Okay, love you too. Okay, let's go guys! Time to check out! Daga ng aming mga bit-bit. Dahil sa Movie World and SeaWorld. More on prices. We're going na. Bye, Gold Coast. Rent a locker. So yun guys, para sa mga problemado after ng checkout nila sa kanilang mga accommodation, maraming rent a locker dito sa part ng Surfers Paradise. So ayun guys, our first stop today is the Sky Point. Kami ay magbe-breakfast buffet dahil it's his birthday.
27 na ako.
Okay, so we will show you kung ano yung mga pagkain na nasa loob ng Sky Point. So, this is the Sky Point, guys. Diba? Napakataas niyan, guys. There you go. So, that's the Sky Point, guys. It's 230 meter above sea level. So, mag-a-avail muna tayo ng ticket. Hindi sila nagbubook ng ticket online kapag breakfast buffet. So, dito lang kayo magbubook. We will show you how much.
Enjoying our pass when you are paying a free drink. It's $88. And your postcode?
3224.
Cute, so ganda. So beautiful. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mami.
Sana makakita tayo ng wild. Kahapon daw ang daming wild katulad ng humpback whale. Sana makita natin siya.
Oo nga. Feeling ko naman meron.
So ayan guys, we're here at the Sky Point. Grabe yung pressure sa elevator.
Sumakit yung tenga ko.
Kaya nga, biruin nyo ba naman 77th floor?
Huwag na kayo sumakay na ng slingshot. Sumputan na lang kayo dito. Tapos sumakay kayo
Daig pa ng slingshot.
Daig pa.
So, ang pinili namin table ay yung city view. Kasi yun yung gusto ni Chate, city view. So, we'll show you. Ayan siya. Ayan, guys. Later naman, pwede tayong pumunta doon to see if may mga whales, dolphins, or other wild. So,
Sana
tara.
meron.
That's our view. Kita nyo, kita yung anino ng Sky Point. Ayan. Ganda, diba? Napakataas. Tara, pakita namin sa inyo kung anong meron sa buffet. Oh, breads pa lang yan. Breads pa lang. Yum, yum.
Nakuha ko ng egg.
Mushroom and tomato yan, guys. That's bacon. I don't like sausage. I like hash brown.
Hash brown.
Fruits. May yogurt din. Bread. Pwede ka mag-toast. Muna yung aming panimula, guys. Buffet naman to eh. So, pwede kayong bumalik. Actually, guys, wala pala siyang limit ng time. Basta yung buffet nila is from 7:30 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. So, bahala ka na kung lalabas ka kagad pagkakain mo or you will enjoy the view. Let's eat!
Yep. One for me.
This one?
Yeah.
Mix. You want the mixed one?
Later.
Later?
Just put on your plate.
Taste them together.
That's okay.
I can't remove it. Oh my god.
That's okay. And the meat. Just two, please. And that white sauce.
This is yogurt.
Yogurt?
Oh, alam ko yogurt.
That's cheese.
And cheese. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Baby chocolate and hazel donuts.
Waffle.
You don't have any space there?
Just one, please. Huh?
It's dirty. This is not flavored. It's on the bottom. Second batch, guys.
Sarap.
Pili ko may third pa to.
Feeling ko din.
So, yun yung mga ano nila, restrictions, palatandaan kapag nakakita kayo ng ganyang flag. So, kapag red and yellow, safe swimming area. So, pwede tayo mag-swimming. No swimming kapag red. Caution, required potential hazards kapag yellow. Red and white, evacuate the water. Black and white, surf crop, riding area boundary. So, flags. Find, look, ask, go, and stick. Ayan guys, dito sa Sky Point, may ganyan ding mga babasayan. The Gold Coast Hinterland. Ang daming pwedeng puntahan o talagang makakabalik kami dito. The Hinterland. Di ba, Daddy? Experience coastal walks. Di ba? Napakadami talaga. 1 week na kami sa susunod. So, ito yung mga, popular beaches nila. Pero sobrang daming beaches dito. Yan lang yung pinaka mga popular na beaches. This is their history. From the past, before European settlement, the area was home to the local indigenous people. Then, 1788, the first Europeans visiting were timber getters. The first township, Nerang, was surveyed in 1865. Then, noong 1889, a train line was extended from Brisbane to Southport. And 1920 to 1940, motor cars and road access brought more people to the coast, and a string of small beach towns formed stretching from Labrador to Coolangatta. And 1940, in 1949, all the beach towns along the coast were joined to become the town of Gold Coast. So, Sky Point is 230 meters above sea level. Q1 building is 322.5 meters high. Sky Point is Australia's only beachside observation deck wall. The lifts use 1,000 kilometers of electrical cabling, enough to stretch from the Gold Coast to Sydney. The spire is made up of steel and glass and is 97.7 meters in height.
1,000 kilometers of
Still about Sky Point, there are 1,331 steps from the ground to level 77 if you're going up using the stairs. And the elevator takes you from ground to level 77 in 40.7 seconds. And yes, napakabilis niya, kaya ang pressure. Illuminated by arc lights, the spire is visible 200 kilometers away. Total of 2.5 million man-hours went into the construction of Q1 building. Sky Point climb is 270 meters above sea level. The continuation of the Gold Coast history, guys. 1950, service holiday apartments and shopping arcades were built. Then the first high-rise on the Gold Coast, Kinkabool, was built in 1959 at Surfers Paradise. 1970 to 1990, the high-rise boom continued during the 1970s and with the opening of the Gold Coast Airport in 1981. So, 1981 pala sila nagka-airport. 2005, the Gold Coast was officially named a Queensland Heritage Icon. 2018, Gold Coast hosted the 2018 Commonwealth Games, and as of now, population now over 600,000. The Gold Coast is one of the fastest growing regions in Australia. So, based on their buildings tsaka mga establishments, talagang mukhang develop talaga yung Gold Coast.
Ang dami pa itong mga nag-holiday.
Yes. Ang dami namin nakakasabay. May mga nakasabay kami sa Movie World na nakasabay rin namin sa SeaWorld. May nakasama kami sa dinner cruise na nakasama rin namin sa SeaWorld.
Para tayo.
So, ayun. Parang kami lang pero sobrang dami namin na tourist dito. Ayan, guys. We're going to get our souvenir here sa Sky Point using this machine. So, you're going to create your own souvenir of your choice. Go, Daddy, go. Go, Daddy, Daddy, go. So, after you pay, guys, you will just turn the handle 10 times and papatak na yung inyong penny. And that's your souvenir here. Let me see it. Aww.
Gold Coast, Australia.
Kitty, let's go.
Dito pala.
Guys, from level 77, nilipad tayo pababa from hanggang airport. Napakabilis. Uy, grabe, parang on the flash. Nakaka-pressure yung tenga ko. So, yeah guys, that's the end of our Sky Point tour dito sa Gold Coast. So, talaga nag-breakfast buffet lang kami. Inikot lang namin kung anong meron dun sa Sky Point and the view is so amazing. So, a must-try activity here at the Gold Coast.
So, mag-avail na lang kayo ng breakfast buffet instead na mag-avail kayo ng
and free.